और इतने सालों के एक्सपीरियंस में 6 + 27 33 ईयर्स, मुझे लगता है एक से ज़्यादा ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस होंगे जो बहुत टच किए होंगे आपके हार्ट को, बट फिर भी मैं एक दो जानना चाहूँगा.
I've had very special experiences, yes, all through my career in the teaching field. One that stands out is I had a child who would not speak, and he was on the autism spectrum, and he never allowed any teacher to touch him also. But just by using my kind words with him and helping him to understand what I am teaching through pictures, through activities, he kind of developed that comfort zone with me, and he did not want any other teacher next to him. And he would literally eat out of my hands, I would say. He would, if I said it, he would do it. So I had to be in the class all the time, and that's where the teachers felt comfortable also teaching him because I was there. I would only have to look at him and say, you do that for me, no? And he would listen, he would do all his activities, complete all his work. And the teachers would tell me, they said, how does he complete work in your class, but he doesn't complete work in our classes?
That is the mother touch.
Yeah, I said, you just need that Midas touch with the child. And today when I see him, he's now in grade 9, I suppose. And he comes, whenever he sees me in the corridor, first thing he'll come and hug me. So that's something that's really touching for me.